guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. How can you get this 127 snapshot? And let me tell you, these are one of the most amazing snapshots, go high level templates that you can get. In fact, any possible snapshot that you can think of, the coaching, the AI agency, the community snapshot. I mean, I'm just taking the names of the exclusive one, which are the expensive ones, AI agency, voice agents that sell itself, and many other like plumber, real estate, any kind of niche that you can think of. Now, this is why you should get it, because one of the, I mean, eventually as you progress within the go high level, you will understand the need for the snapshot, and you might have to purchase them. Like thousands of dollars are being charged. Like for example, just try to find the community snapshot, you might have to pay $1,000 plus, and here I'm giving 127 snapshot completely free. How do you get it? Just to quickly wrapping up, and in fact the people, some of the people who are already my subscribers, they already know about this. So this message was mainly for the people who do not know about it, about this 127 snapshot, this video I've made. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. I'll pop it up onto the screen, and that's where, as you can see, this is coming as a form of bonus. So basically, not just 127 snapshot, you're getting other things as well, which is one-to-one personal WhatsApp support. Oh yeah, the website of the funnel development if you want 100% AI employee implementation, A to P DLC approval, guidance to all the training, private community access. By the way, you can join my free community here, and just click here and then you just get the community access. So all you have to do is just either sign up for the 30-day free trial of the Go High Level using our link. This is our link. You just click here, sign up, or upgrade to the $297 per month plan. If you're on the $97 plan, just click here and enter your, automatically the code will be populated by clicking on this link, and you just need to enter your relationship number. Similarly, you want to upgrade to the $497 plan, you just enter your relationship number by clicking on this link. The rest of the details like the name and thing, but AI, the referral code will be pre-populated. So all that thing is super amazing, guys. Once you have done that, and like of course 127 snapshot as I said, but not just that, like one-to-one personal WhatsApp support, what we offer, like people who are just signing up new, or let's say even they are upgrading. What I found is that, see, support through the email, answering the question and all that thing is fine, but having a WhatsApp access to a go high level expert, just imagine 24/7 you are having a WhatsApp access. You have any query, you just shoot the query, and this is for the initial entire setup. Like the lady will be there to help you for the setup, for the guidance, till you are satisfied with the support. And again, like this is valued at 14,500 something dollar, the 127 snapshot. But again, we are giving it completely free just for that, as well as like the website development you want to do, you just let us know, we are going to get it done for you. So you have so many options, guys. Either sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 plan, or upgrade to the $497 plan. And now I have even introduced, let's say you're already a go high level user. What do you do now? So I have introduced this thing that all you have to do is just enter our referral code AI bonuses into the AI employee, right? And once you do that, we are going to, again, like the 127 snapshot bonus, even you are applicable for it. Like we are going to give it to you completely free. By the way, where do you find this place? Where do you put the code? Within your agency, click on settings, click on AI employee, click on manage offer, and then there you just put AI bonuses within the FP reference field and click apply. That's it. Just email to us after that, abdullah@abdullahzahid.com, or WhatsApp us. This website already has a WhatsApp status, WhatsApp number. This is how it looks like. FP reference is equal to AI bonuses. And trust me, like you would really love it. And by the way, on this website, you want to watch my interview with the Sean Clark, super amazing, as well as you want to watch my interview with the Varun Varavan. Like both these are co-founders. Sean Clark is CEO as well. You want to have a detailed description of how many snapshots that you're going to get, you will be able to see it, right? And even on my YouTube channel, like if you want to know what are the snaps, how does it look like few of the examples are already here. You can just watch the video, scroll it down, click onto the videos and watch it. But let's say you want to watch more snapshots videos, then go to my YouTube channel. Like on this YouTube channel itself, just search for the word snapshot and you'll find all the videos which I have put. Of course, like I haven't put all the 127 one, but few of them I have put, so you can see what is the quality of all these all these snapshots. So guys, super amazing. As I just told you, you have got 4 options to get all these things, all these bonuses, snapshot, personal support free. Number one, either sign up for the 30-day free trial, using this link, just click here, sign up for the 30-day free trial and email me, or upgrade to the $297 per month plan using this link, or upgrade to $497 plan using this link. You will be eligible for the bonus. And last but not the least, just go to the AI employee settings, AI employee, and manage offer, and just put our referral code AI bonuses, and we are going to ensure that you get all the 127 snapshot after this. I wish you guys all the best. Thanks a lot for watching the video. This is for the new people like who really want to get the snapshot. They do not know the free ways, but they can, like, literally they can utilize this free way to their advantage. Wish you guys all the best.
Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with Gohighlevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with the Gohighlevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this, how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my Gohighlevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our Gohighlevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be, we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee, entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people I have seen, they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best, and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to Gohighlevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also I worked closely one-on-one with his Gohighlevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through Gohighlevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.